Hello and welcome to another Affinity Publisher tool tutorial. We've worked our way all the way down to the picker tools now, and so let's start out with the color picker tool. And so it's the little eyedropper or medicine dropper looking icon that's down here. And what this does is it allows you to sample any color in your document and change your selected object to that color. So let's start out by going to the Move tool. We will select this word, Hello Spring, and let's find a color from our document. So I've got it selected. It's got the bounding box around it, and you can see it here highlighted in pink in my layers. So I'm going to turn on this tool, and now you'll see I get little crosshairs, and I can sample any of the colors in my document and change the word to that. Let's settle on orange. Now, if this isn't working for you, go up to this upper area here in the contextual toolbar and make sure that Apply to Selection is checked. So that means whatever you have selected, in this case, the Hello Spring here at the bottom, whatever you have selected is what is going to get affected when you go and pick or sample your colors. Now be careful, because not only will it grab stuff from your document, but you can also sample places on your workspace as well. Now, not into this gray area, but your background here as well as your artboard will be able to be sampled as well. So that is the color picker tool, but you'll see there's just a little tiny triangle here in the corner. That means there's another tool nested under this one. So if we click that little tiny arrow, you'll see we also have a style picker tool. So let's go over that as well. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select this other text. And what Style Picker does is it allows you to pick more attributes than just color. So let's add some stuff here. So I'm going to go to Layer Effects. Let's put an outline on this. So I'm going to select Outline and make sure that it's highlighted. And I will turn up the radius of that outline, and let's change the color to, I don't know, something bright and vibrant that we will be able to see. Let's make it orange. And then we will make that outline a little bigger so it's really obvious. And then we could also put maybe a drop shadow on that. So I'll click Outer Shadow. And we'll just put a little bit of drop shadow on that. And we will close that. And let's see what else we want to do. Well, let's just make the color this teal color. And then it also will pick up your layer opacity. So let's turn this down to 50%. Okay, so now that we have this, I'm going to select this other Hello Spring. We will go to here and pick the Style Picker tool, and we will select this, and it automatically changed my selection. Now you'll notice you've got different things that you can turn off and on, so you can choose to have all of the style attributes or none of them, or you can select, did we want just the stroke or the fill or the layer opacity, etc. So you can unselect any of these things that you don't want applied. So let's go down to this other one here. And what I wanted to show you is that if you, actually, let's undo this for a moment. There we go. You can also select multiple things. So if you have multiple things you want to copy the style to in your document, you can just hold Shift and select more than one object. So you can see both of these are now highlighted in my layers. Now I can go to Style Picker. And if it doesn't work, click Unload and try it again, because it can be a little bit finicky. So now we applied it to both of our Hello Springs that were selected. All right, so Color Picker tool allows you to pick just colors from anywhere in your document, including your artboard and background, and Style Picker will pick even more attributes, not just color or fill. And you can even leave the color alone by unselecting the stroke and the fill. So I hope that's helpful. Thank you so much for watching.